Hi everybody, now let's take a look at HSK Book 3 and the first chapter. Yeah, well, HSK 3 is not HSK 2. Now we do not have pinyin anymore, and hope you're ready for that. The first chapter talks about the plan for the weekend. Weekend is 周末. Yeah, actually, the title of the lesson is 周末你有什么打算？打算 is a plan. 打 is to hit, 算 is to calculate. Hit the calculator. So that's a plan. Okay. And 周末, 周 is a week, 末 is end, so that's easier. 周末 weekend, you have what kind of plan? What is used before noun? That means what kind of this noun it is. Right, right. Test number 1, we have 小丽 having a conversation with 小刚. They're gonna become very close in this book. Pay attention to their, the development of their relations. Anyway, 小丽 says 周末你有什么打算 And小刚 says 我早就想好了。想 is to think or is to miss somebody. 想 somebody, miss somebody. Or 想 plus verb means would like to do something. Right, and it's used on its own like 想一想 think a think or a statement after 想 that means to think, for example, or my opinion is I think that China is a beautiful place. 我想中国是一个漂亮的地方。想好 is good and is well or good if it's used after a verb. It means this verb has been completed in a very good way. Like 做好 do good means it's well done. And here 找好 look for good means it's found. It's well looked for, so it's found. All right. And 买好 buy good means it's successfully bought. So that's what it means. Now, so 我早 already just thought well of it means I figured out. 请你吃饭，请 two ways, two meanings. A is please, 请坐 please sit. 请 somebody do something means to treat somebody doing something. I will treat you to eat food, watch film, 看电影，喝咖啡。小丽 says 请我treat me. 小刚 says yes 是啊，我已经找好饭馆了。饭馆 is a restaurant, already found a restaurant. 电影票也买好了。a U 的 is structure. 电影票 is used at the beginning to emphasize a bit. So 我也买好了电影票。And 小丽 says, oh, whoa, she is playing hard to get. She said, 我还 still haven't 没有想好 figured it out or thought well means figured out. 要不要 go want or not want 跟你去呢？跟 is with to go with you. I haven't thought about if whether I should go with you. Okay, so she's being she's being a Chinese, playing very hard to get. Anyway, the test number 2 is a conversation between 妈妈和 儿子。妈妈 says 你一直玩电脑游戏 all the way, all the time, all the way. 一直玩 to play 电脑游戏游戏 is game, so computer game. 作业写完了吗？作业 again it's a Yoda structure. 作业 is homework. 写完写 is to write, one is finished, so they compose a new word that is to finish writing. Or have you finished writing the homework? 了吗 past tense, yes or no? 儿子 says 都写完了 all right finish all finished writing. And mom says 明天不是有考试吗？ In a sentence, if there's a negative and at the same time it is a rhetorical question, mama doesn't need the answer to that. It's just aren't there exams tomorrow? 你怎么一点儿也不着急？着急 is a adjective, means worried. You are not worried, okay? And then this sentence leads to a new grammar point, which is not at all, which means not at all, right? So in this basic structure, which we were gonna take a look at in the page number 4. So basically, it is the subject plus e plus a measure word, and then also not want to do. Now, you know what? That's not right. Let's. Okay, that wasn't a very good explanation. I am very sorry. I apologize. Now let's look at it again. Sometimes you would like to say something. For example, you are not worried. Okay, so you say 你 how come you're not worried? 你怎么不着急? That's one sentence. But sometimes we would like to emphasize that you're not, or you don't have, you don't want, usually in a negative tense, in negative state, and you place 一点儿也 before the 不 or 没, right? The negative verb, negative word to emphasize that. 你怎么不着急? If you put 一点儿 a bit also, this is just remember that as one phrase. That means how come you are not worried, not at all, or how come you're not at all worried? So that's 一点儿也 means at all. All right, 儿子 says 我早就复习好了. I already reviewed well, so I already very well reviewed. I have well reviewed. And mom says, then, na is used at the beginning of the sentence to mean the link word. Then, yeah, then also, right? Not can 不能一直玩 all the time play. Then you can't just play all the time. So that's what it means. And number 3, 小丽 and 小刚 are back again. They're talking about 下个月 next month 我去旅游 to travel. 你能 you can with me 跟我一起去吗？小刚 says 我还没想好呢，想好 thought figure it out. I haven't actually, Xiaogang is also playing hard to get if you think about it. I still haven't thought about it. I thought it well. I still haven't figured out if I want to go with you. 你觉得哪儿最好玩？好玩 is a new word. That means to go to play means fun or interesting. 最 most interesting. You feel where is the most interesting place, or fun place. 小丽 says 南方啊，南方 the south. So we have here the south. 北方 is the north. 我们去年就是这个时候去的。That's the there. It should be something after the, which is 地方, right? 我们去年就是这个时候 去的这个地方 right? It is the last year. It is this time that we went, and the time was last year. And then 小刚 says 南方太热了，热 is hot. 北方好一些 better 一些 is some a bit. Alright, so used after an adjective to means degree. 不冷也不热 not cold, also not hot. And then so they decided to go traveling. 小刚 says 水果、面包、茶都准备好了。准备 to prepare 好 good. Prepared means well prepared. 茶、面包、水果。我们还 still what else? Or still bring, right? 带 is to bring or take. 我们还 bring what? 我们还带什么？小丽 says 手机、电脑、地图。Okay, 手机、电脑、地图 all of them 一个也不能少。Right, now we have 也 again, this one plus 也，一点儿也 or 一个也。So the 点儿 and 个 is the measure word. 一 plus measure word plus 也。This is structure again to emphasize not at all. So 不能少 cannot be less, means cannot be left behind. Not even one of them. So that's what it means. 小刚 says 这些these 我昨天下午就准备好了。Afternoon, yesterday afternoon, just ready, prepared, or good, well prepared. I prepared very well of these things. 再 again then 多带 多 is used before a verb. That means more of this verb. Bring more what? A few clothes. I know ji also means how many, but not in this sentence. It has two meanings. It also means several in here. That's what it means. Several measure word 衣服把 suggestion. 我们是去旅游. If 是 is used in a sentence, it's sort of like the do. We are going to travel, or we do traveling. We are doing traveling, so it's emphasized. 去旅游 go traveling 不是搬家 not is what? Moving house. 搬 is to move, to carry something, usually a heavy thing. 家 is home, so 搬家 is move home. 还是 and then rather 还是 still is. This is one word. It means rather. We less bring less something. So then I think we should bring something less. We're not moving house. All right, so that's lesson 3. And no, sorry, that's HSK 3. This is the level. I don't think I did a very good job, but I haven't really warmed up after the new year and Christmas and everything. So I probably will do better next time. Hopefully I will do better next time. So anyway, I'll talk to you next time. So long. Bye bye.